Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can set up your store. So let's get right into it, or your Etsy items on your Instagram. And yeah, you pretty much get the point. So the first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to set up an Instagram account. And I can't show you guys exactly how that is done because I'm missing some important information that I need to actually create it. And I don't want to give my personal one. But yeah, you just need to set up your business account. Just go into and log into Instagram and you'll be able to configure your business account. You can create a Facebook account as well on business.facebook.com. Pretty sure business.instagram.com works just as well, or this might be just in global for Meta. Then you just need to link Etsy to Instagram via the Facebook Business Manager. You just need to go over into your domains and you just need to copy the meta tag and you just need to choose add and fill in your Etsy shop name to actually be able to connect the two, and just copy the meta tagline after you enter your Etsy URL, which is this one at the very top. Then just open the shop manager on Etsy, go to settings, then Facebook shops, and enter the meta tag copied from the Facebook manager, and just refresh it, and you should go back to your Facebook business manager, and you'll be able to see the verified status if everything has been done correctly. Then you just need to add your products to your Facebook catalog. Just go into commerce, catalog, items, and add items, and you should be able to add all your items. Now to connect it with Instagram, just go to Instagram, go to settings and privacy, go to business shopping website, and then enter your domain, and then select it once you enter it as you did in the business manager, and it should say in review below your domain name, and once it's been approved, your Etsy and Instagram will be connected. Now, once you've successfully done this, you can start tagging them in your Instagram post. So you just need to go and click tag products when creating the post and then select the desired one. And that is pretty much it. You can do the same for stories, but other than that, that is all there is to it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.